Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Reesie. This is my beauty channel where we come to slay, especially on a budget. And if you're new, don't forget to hit that red button down below and turn on your post notifications. As you can see by the title, you want to know more information about dry brushing or Life's Butter, because today I am partnering up with Life's Butter to introduce to you guys about all their products that they have to offer and more information about dry brushing and the benefits about it. So if you guys are interested in more information about this topic, then definitely keep on watching. Before we get started, let me introduce to you Life's Butter. Life's Butter is a purpose-driven company that seeks to help women boost their self-esteem and self-confidence so they can live their fullest, healthiest life. They promote body positivity by easing some of the anxieties they have regarding to cellulite, a reality for about 90% of women. Life's Butter Anti-Cellulite Cream is designed to visibly reduce the appearance of what is effectively called dimples through thighs and buttocks for a tighter, smoother looking skin. Life's Butter has been featured on Vogue, New You, Women's Health, and Vanity Fair. All their products are environmentally friendly as well as all natural ingredients. Definitely check out their blog. They have so much information about dry brushing, all of their products, coffee scrubs, and cellulite cream. All right, you guys, so you are here because you want to know more about dry brushing and just the benefits of it. So I just want to give you guys a little backstory. I was introduced to dry brushing on TikTok. I am like a big self-care type of thing, and then I have a lot of creators that are way older that I'm interested in. So there's this lady, I hope I can find her video so I can put it up on the screen. It was an older, more mature lady. She was in her 50s, but she looked so good. Like, she was glowing, she looked so young, she was black like me, and I was like, I need to know what her skincare is. And so, like, you know, like a lot of people on TikTok, we blew her up, and so she introduced dry brushing as one of her techniques of keeping her skin looking so good, glowy, and young. So I was like, wow, maybe I should start dry brushing in my everyday life. But you know, sometimes when you think you should start something, it kind of like lingers and then it goes away. So a few months later, Life's Butter reached out to me to show me their products that they have to offer, which was dry brushing and their cellulite cream. So of course, I gave you guys a background already on Life's Butter. I wanted to explain to you guys more about dry brushing and what it is. So dry brushing is exactly what it says into the title, dry brushing. So it's another way to exfoliate your skin, increase blood circulation onto your skin to create more of a youthful look and get rid of dead skin cells. So people who might struggle with cellulite, it helps detoxify your skin and increases blood circulation and promoting lymph and flow drainage. So like you have like maybe a lot of water, fat onto your thighs or arms or tummy. Dry brushing it's nothing new. It's been out there for years, but I think it's becoming a trend, especially now that a lot of older women are praising the results of dry brushing. It gets a lot of people are now very interested into this. So I'm super excited to be partnering up with Life's Butter to introduce you guys to their dry brushing and all of that. So I'm just gonna do like a little unboxing to let you guys know all that I received. So when I opened up the box, it was very inviting. I love the color. I just love everything about their branding. I also received some instructions to help me along the way on how to use the coffee scrub that I received, the dry brush, of course, that I received, the anti-cellulite cream, and they gave me a goodie, which was the shimmer lotion that has all natural products. They also added some cute little stickers that I can add to my reusable water bottle. So I think that's super cute, and I love how much effort and thought they put into their branding. So I do want to tell you guys how I use all the products and how I used it and how I overall feel about it. So first things first, I got into the shower and I had to try the coffee scrub. The coffee scrub has all natural products, and let me tell you, when I put that scrub on my skin was instantly smooth. Like when I rubbed it into my skin, it wasn't too harsh, it wasn't dripping of the skin. It helped mainly to moisturize. It actually moisturized my skin a little bit more in the shower. My freaking skin looked amazing. Like you guys can see it on the B-roll. It was looking good. So that scrub is the truth, especially if you guys are looking for a sugar scrub in general. Definitely check out Life's Butter Sugar Scrub because it is A1. I am definitely incorporating this scrub into my self-care shower routines, okay? Second, so once I showered, did all that, I added that coffee scrub to my shower routine. I then dried off and moved on to my Life's Butter's Cellulite cream. So with this Cellulite cream, it has all natural products and it helps with the dry brushing experience. So on the directions, they did say apply the lotion to any of your arms, legs, thighs, but I applied it to my butt. I do have I don't have much cellulite. I do have a little bit of dimples, a little bit of cellulite, but it's not a lot to where like you can tell a difference. But I still want to be smooth and glowy. So it don't hurt. It's for everybody, but mainly the Cellulite cream is for ladies who do have cellulite. And I just wanted to show you a little example of how I used it. So I put it onto my skin, my thighs and my butt area. I rubbed it in a little bit, and then I took my dry brush and I did circular motions onto the dry brush. It felt weird kind of at first, but you do get used to it. It's a different experience, but I left my skin very, very smooth. They do recommend you doing dry brushing 2 to 6 weeks in order to see a big difference, especially if you have cellulite that you are trying to get rid of. It does take time for your skin to heal itself. And then, yeah, after that, I got some skin nourishing serum. I did not film myself put it on. I'll show you guys an example of how it looks. I have some on my chest already. I look glowy already. Like I'm glowing already, but they wanted me to glow even more. So they added this product into my box, and it doesn't have no smell whatsoever. It just helps you glow more, especially in the summertime. And even though the fall is coming up, you should always want to glow 24/7. So here's what it looks like. It's very, it's like a loose type of oil. So here, this is what it looks like coming out the bottle. And then I'm gonna just put this on my arm or my hands to show you guys how bomb this looks. I'm putting this all over my fingers. We're rubbing that in. Look at that glow. You guys see it compared to like where I didn't put it? Look at that. This will be so bomb on my chest area and just the shoulders, just so you can just glow when you're on like your date. Life's Butter did what needed to be done. I really like everything that they provided with me, and I'm super excited for my dry brushing journey. Definitely keep up with my self-care shower and pamper routines. I incorporate new things like dry brushing or like cupping, and incorporating new things can give you more time to focus on you. Okay, honey? So definitely check out Life's Butter. If you're very interested, definitely use my code down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life at a IG. If you got my number, don't add me, 'cause baby